hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video also I am going to solve a problem from the previous sunset papers, and the question is find the domain of real valued function f of x equals to x square minus x minus 2. This is square bracket symbol is for greatest integer function, right? This is given as in this way. The square brackets represents the greatest integer function. So if you take f of x is equals to the given, anything power 1 by 2 is nothing but under root you have to take. But here one more symbol is there, negative symbol is there. So you must write it as 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of the given expression. Now if you observe 1 by this value must not be 0, right? If it is 0, the value of f of x will becomes not defined. So this function, what is the condition we have to take here is the value which is inside under the root must be greater than 0, because here in the question it is given real valued. Here if it is negative, you will get 1 by root minus 2. If you get, this is not the real value, no, real value only positive you will get under root. Okay, so in that way we have to take so the expression under the root must be greater than 0. So I took this as a quadratic equation and I split the middle term as minus 2x plus x. So from the first two terms I took mod x common. Greatest value function of x is taken common, and I did in this way. I got these two factors which is greater than 0. Say if you take that this value and this value is 0, then you will get the values which you must not take for the value of x, because if you take these two you will get 0 answer, right? That's why, so mod x belongs to real numbers. All real numbers you can take, but what except minus 1 and 2 you can take other remaining real numbers. But here greatest value function is given. So what is the greatest number after nearby to 2? That is 3. So if you substitute 3 in this equation, you will get a real value. That's why you can substitute 3. That's, you can't substitute minus 1, as you get 0 in the square root or under the denominator.